In today's video, we are going to cover how to credit a customer balance in Stripe. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are in, look to the main navigation and go to Customers. This will open your customer list where you can find the account that needs a balance credit. Select the customer whose balance you want to credit and wait for that customer profile to load if needed. Inside the customer record, move to the upper right corner of the page and click the three-dot menu. This menu contains account actions related to that customer. From the options shown there, look under Account and choose Adjust Credit Balance. That opens the balance adjustment form where you can enter the details for the credit you want to apply. In the Adjustment Type field, select Credit. This is the setting that tells Stripe you are adding credit to the customer balance rather than making a different kind of adjustment. After that, enter the amount in the Amount field. Make sure the amount matches the credit you intend to apply before continuing. Next to the amount, select the correct currency for that adjustment. If your account works with more than one currency, this is worth checking carefully, so the balance change is recorded the way you expect. You may also see a field for an internal note. If you need to document why the credit is being added, enter a short note there. This note is for internal reference, so you can use it to describe the reason for the adjustment in a way that will make sense later when someone reviews the customer record. If you do not need to add context, you can leave that field as it is. Before applying the credit, look at the new balance shown at the top of the form. This gives you a preview of what the customer balance will be after the adjustment is processed. Review that displayed balance along with the amount and currency you entered. This is the point where you confirm that everything on the form reflects the adjustment you want to make. When those details look correct, click Apply to Credit Balance. Stripe will process the adjustment and update the customer balance using the amount and currency you selected. After the action is complete, the customer record will reflect the new credited balance, and your internal note, if you added one, will stay with the adjustment details for future reference. The customer balance in Stripe is now credited with the amount you entered.